In this video, I'll show you how to reset the settings on your Lenovo laptop. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. Once you're in the Settings window, click on System from the left-hand menu. Now, scroll down and select Recovery. Here, you'll find the Reset This PC option. Click on the Reset PC button. A new window will appear with two options. The first option is Keep My Files. This option resets your Windows settings and reinstalls Windows without deleting your personal files, like photos, videos, and documents. However, your installed apps and customized settings will be removed. The second option is Remove Everything. This completely resets your laptop by deleting all your personal files, installed apps, and settings. Choose this only if you want a full factory-style reset or are preparing to give away or sell your laptop. Select the option that best matches your needs. After that, you'll be asked how you'd like to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft, or Local Reinstall, which uses the files already available on your laptop. Click on Next. And then you'll just need to wait around 30 minutes while this resets your computer. And it's really as simple as that, guy. That's it. That's how you can reset the settings on your Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon for more helpful laptop tutorials.